Okay, we're in the SANDS Casino. I have been in here before. I gotta tell you right now though, it's a little bit of a challenge to get inside because most of it is casino floor. So there's a little bit of a spot where I can get in right over here with McDonald's, and Burger King is right there. McDonald's and KFC. But that's about it. Culture Center's over here. Way over there is the Science Museum, which is good for kids to learn about science. And this is the Cultural Center Plaza. That's the Cultural Center over there. Looks like they need a giant billboard that's on the top of that building that's being prepared. I wonder what they're going to put up there. So yeah, this is the Cultural Center. That's Grand Lapa. Shop and dine easily with free parking. I wonder what the shopping is. Usually when I've gone in there, it's a little bit hard to navigate, and I usually just end up right next to the casino really quickly. And I think what we'll do is maybe we'll just walk up so that you can see it in the video, a little bit of this. Did I do the introduction yet? I think I didn't. We'll do that right now. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So you're at the Sands. Just saw a little introduction. See, I'm basically documenting Macau. And there's Fisherman's Wharf over there. So yeah, Fisherman's Wharf, I think generally in the past that was kind of designed to be big for tourists, but it never really took off. We'll definitely explore over there soon. And we're just going to walk over to the Sands so you can see it. There's the Cultural Center right there, Science Center, bridges you can see over there. Over there's a ferry that goes between Macau and Hong Kong, and also goes through some China ports as well. Yeah, I think we're going to go into the wrong one. I think that's one we need to get into, is that one. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is the work one, so we'll have to go back down again. Let's go back down. So yeah, we went down. So that this is for the employees, so it says thank you for your hard work. And then this is the one we need to go, is up this one, casino. Most of this is casino. I can't bring the camera into the casino, unfortunately. Babylon Casino. So all I can really do is just bring it up and just kind of show you the fast food that's out front. They don't allow cameras in the casinos because people are playing, and then you could be cheating, and they'll basically confiscate the camera very quickly if I did that. You can see. I think so right there's the entry. There's McDonald's. Looks like KFC is closed now, so we'll just go right back down again. All there is a McDonald's, and you have the casino grounds, and I have to do a COVID check because it's a COVID era. So what we'll do is we'll just yeah, actually the KFC closed. I don't want to put my camera there too much because I don't want anybody to confiscate my film, because I got lots of other stuff on here too. So we could go back down, and we'll just kind of show you the other part of the Sands, which is the front part. There's somebody else with the luggage. Something big happened recently, so oh, that's a loading dock right there. Just have to go back around over this way. But anyways, you got a little bit of a taste of Sands. We're just gonna walk towards Fisherman's Wharf, and we'll try to get a little bit of footage of Sands from there. So yeah, the Sands is I think originally it's supposed to be connected. It is with the Fisherman's Wharf, so they should bring in the same tourists, right? There's our Sands right there. But the Fisherman's Wharf never really took off either. That McDonald's was really overpriced. So this is a Harbor View Hotel, kind of a check Republic kind of theme. Yeah, the McDonald's is like 60 mop, something like that. I guess you have to push this button right here. So anyways, I don't know. Oh, that guy, they went right across. I guess I better hurry as well. And we'll just kind of film it from this side and then we'll end this one. So that's a little bit of a sands. At least you see the location a little bit. You can see what's around here, the cultural center. That's all Zape over there, the neighborhood. And there's our focus right there. Giant lettering. Okay, I guess we'll end it right there then. Okay, so we came around on the other side of Sands. Basically what I did, actually to be honest, is I walked through Fisherman's Wharf and I did another video, show you a couple highlights. Over there is Gia Lighthouse, so you can see it in the distance. That's one of the oldest lighthouses in Asia, and that was used quite extensively to overlook the city from the highest standpoint. And this right here is the Coliseum, so it's kind of part of Fisherman's Wharf. Very photogenic, great for pictures. And this is all part of Fisherman's Wharf, so we just did a video where I walked through it, kind of talked about all the stuff that's happening as of this date in Macau, especially with COVID, because there's a lot of new update things. And this is the sands right here. And we're just gonna walk into the front part and maybe capture a little bit more of sands. That's Fisherman's Wharf right there, so right on that side is Fisherman's Wharf. That other video I was over there in front of that hotel. Here we are in Avenida Dr. Sun Yat-sen. So yeah, I was down there and I basically just walked in there and I just went around, all the way around, came out over here. Now we're gonna take a look at sands. Looks like we can just go right across now. Lago de Monte Carlo. It's a little Monte Carlo Plaza right there, sands. Turn off a plaza, and there's sands right there. I didn't know that that had a name, Monte Carlo Plaza. I think what we'll do is we kind of run over there. Now you can see a little bit of Monte Carlo Plaza. And there's the sands right there. Try to get to the entrance a little bit. See, I think when you get into the entrance, you just basically go right into the casino floor. So I can't really take my camera in there. I think there is a little bit of shopping inside. I mean, right out here. Copa Steakhouse. There we go. A little bit bright, so it's hard to see it a little bit. We'll end it right there. Looks like they're doing some work on Grand Lapa. Okay, we'll do a final sands one. So that's the sands right there, and you can see what's all around here. Closer to the Gia Lighthouse, Macau and China flag right there. And there's our sands right there.